So for this corner, I'm gonna start with the plate stand. It's a little cake stand, and I'll link some below from where I purchased it. This tree is so perfect, and it's just small, a little something, and I'm gonna elevate that. I will bring my marble trays back. And I will place one up, I like that, and one sideways. And that looks really good because it's the square vertical and the round is sideways, and I love that positioning. I'll slide this sleigh. So this is the most minimum part of red that I've added this year, but this sleigh is so gorgeous. I just love the wood, and it's just gorgeous. So I will place the sleigh here. I think I want it about right there. Let's move this over a little bit so it doesn't seem as busy. And that looks really good. Bringing in this gorgeous candle, and it's made out of a Christmas tree. Placing that here. How adorable is that? Then I'll bring in the red deer. Oh my gosh, that's too cute. Next, I'll bring in this chocolate. Look at this. And there you have it, all three. There you have it, all four is completely lit. And this is so simplistic and elegant. It is just a quick look for anything that you want to do in your corner or on your countertops that's just simplistic. Let's add the other wreath. Wow, that's so special. I love this. I just love it. It's simple. I believe this is going to be my outer counter space because this is so Christmas, very little Christmas, and it's just enough to give me that wow factor. I really love this. So instead of putting a wreath over your doors, you can place wreaths underneath your cabinets, and it just gives you that pop, that wow factor, and it's unexpected. If you like this video, hit that like button or subscribe. You will be notified each time there is a new upload. Until next time, make every day a great day.